So it's been some time now since we signed our coach, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't have any problems with the coach. And by the way we have been changing coaches, I feel like he's good, he can stay. And I love the reason that Utudama player or something else. As much as most of the players that he's playing, as players that are from Atas one is like literally recruitments. Most of these young players, it's not like the coach came with sharp, which is good. But I love the fact that he managed to adapt to the team that Atas one literally just had, and literally could continue with that team. But now, one thing I have a problem with the whole coach is, I know we have been suffering from a lot of injuries. Yeah, I don't want to lie, it's a lot of injuries and trying to have a style of play. I don't think we have a style of play yet with Chiefs in fact. Because I know we are still trying to build that. Which is good, but we understand the process. He's still building, he's still new. But I have one problem with our coach, bro. Have you ever realized how his subs or trying to understand the players that he has? It's so weird, because I'm not gonna say this because of the previous game we just played, whereby he subbed Dupree and played Chifa on a game like literally we are 1-0. The game was literally 0-0. You're taking out a player like Dupree, which has like probably 90% of creating chances of or probably even scoring. You're playing a player like Chifa bro. Like, I don't wanna lie. There's one player. I quick to judge players, that's my thing. Marguna player one is well since Gaibon and Jason Gain, even if when he scores, I still feel like Lomchita Lora deserve the Chiefs. Like, I don't wanna lie. He doesn't deserve. Why even the second division wouldn't survive this. I don't see any player in him. Like keep out to Dupree Ufa Chifa. How does that make sense? And this thing of like, we can see that Kaizer and who's this boy? Matlo. No Matlo, they have this thing about Jelai. Okay, last game Matlo was playing trash. I understand, cool. But most of the time, if you realize, if you actually build that thing, understand that, and they know how this one plays, how this one plays. Rather than just every single time I would say the backline is something else that's literally trying to be consistent on our team. It's just the backline, but the rest, Kaizer is kind of solidifying his position on the team. Kaizer is the only team player that I can see like, homeboy is understanding, Luntwana le, Ayindawo, Umeya, we president, we Chiefs, you owner Chiefs. No umuntu ungisasa ngathini lentwana ngipha ama share, so understand siyabona ukuthi le general cool. But you've just decided ukuthi so naleyo player faka abanye mfethu, so that it become consistent, so that we can literally just know ukuthi mabathi starting lap sesiyazi it's show with 8 or 9 players. Le two soloko si because we all know that's not good players, we're still building and stuff like that. But every single game we change our player, and even your substitutes are like that. I am again. But I won't lie, let's give him time. So far so good. I believe if he needs to prove himself, he should just literally take the Nedbank Cup. For me, actually, if he wants to prove himself, he should just take the Nedbank Cup for me. Please let me know, how do you feel about our coach so far? I know we are building. So how do you feel about our coach in the comment section so far? Or how do you feel about his substitutes so far? From me, Katlego Sparkles, that's my take. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.